Okay, let's say you want to create a scatter plot from a table of data. You need to highlight the whole table, and it depends on how it's presented, and what technology you're looking at. But oftentimes you need to kind of click above the table. See how my cursor's up here? And then drag. And what that'll do is it'll highlight the entire table and let Excel know that you want it as a table, and then it'll paste properly. So then do Control C for copy, open up Excel and do Control V, and you can see that it put it in as separate things, which is what we needed. If you try and highlight just the values inside the table and then paste, oftentimes it'll put everything in one cell. Okay, now that you have your data in place, you want to highlight all of it, which it is automatically because we just pasted it. But if not, just click and drag to highlight all of your data. Then go to the Insert menu, and then down here for charts, right? And just click Scatter. And there's your scatter plot. It's that easy to create a scatter plot. You can then mess around with the scale and have it look different, but that's it. It's that simple.